Hey everybody, welcome back to Change Your Life 20 Second at a Time video series. Today is video 2. We are going to talk about the introduction and yeah, we're going to do that every single day, 5 to 10 minutes a day, no more. We're going to take a page, a paragraph, a couple of paragraphs, maybe 2 page max, and I'm going to read. I'm going to tell you what I was thinking when I was writing this book. Oh, by the way, this book, if you want to have it, is you want to buy it, and I recommend you do because this is a life-changing book. I got people who have new lovers. I got people who are able to manifest a new job, quit the job, unhappiness to happiness. I got other people who were able to manifest quite a big amount of money just by applying the principle of this book. So if you don't want to listen to me every single day, you want to go faster than that, go on Amazon.com. There's it's $19.99. I think you can get it right now for less than $6.99. I think the price is. So that's what it is. So jump on it. Okay, so what are we going to do? I'm going to be reading. Let's say, by the way, I am French speaking. I'm going to mispronounce some words. Don't judge me. Just laugh with me, have fun with me, and let's get started. So what the heck am I doing? Have you ever stopped and asked yourself if you are satisfied with what you have accomplished so far in your life? One morning, while drinking my coffee, I asked myself this question. As I pondered the answer, I realized that I had experienced quite a bit in my life. I also recognized that I conveniently lived most of my life, meaning that over the years I got comfortable and I started to be satisfied with ordinary and average results. So here's the thing, average result, it's not everybody who needs to be number one everywhere. It's not everybody who wants to become a millionaire. It's not everybody who wants to be super successful, super famous. I don't think that's for everybody, but I think everybody who's listening to me right now wants more of this life. And I think everybody who's listening to me right now should become better, should be a better person, not only for you the person, but for the people around you and the entire humanity. I think it's our job to become better day after day. That's what I believe, and I think this book is going to help you to get there. Even though I always consider myself fortunate and for the most part a happy person, that specific morning I remember thinking, so far I have lived an average life. Nothing too exceptional, and I know that I can do better than that. I'm not saying that my life was dull and without positive impacts. Still, I had the feeling that there had to be something more. I started considering if I decide to do something bigger, something remarkable? What if I apply myself 100%? What unique project, plan, goal, dream, desire would I accomplish? And the thing is right here is the what if, right? I think the what if, the decision making. I want you to think about it right now. If you take a piece of paper and you write what if and you write 3 things you would like to accomplish, start thinking about it and say, what if that happened? And then after that, it's really easy. You just decide to do it and you take an action every day and you start to visualize it, sit in your head, and you will be amazed of the process of the result you can get within a short period of time if you apply the right principle. Let's go back to the other one. I was ordinary, not the best, not the worst in my jobs, relationships, hobbies, etc. I was average in pretty much everything I performed. I realized that morning that I could have accomplished so much more, but instead I let the years go by, as most of us do. I wasn't unhappy, not at all, but maybe a little bit too comfortable. That very morning, I made a significant decision. I decided that I want to accomplish more. I decided to do more and become more for myself and the people around me. Now, again, it goes with the decision. There's a chapter in this book where I say decide 100%. We're going to talk about that. And they also, the fact that you have to realize, are you too comfortable? Are you willing to do more for you Are you willing to earn more money for you and for the people around you? Let's go back to the book. What if you ask yourself the same question? What the heck am I doing with my life? Or better yet, what the heck do I do with the rest of my life? If you feel like you have the potential and willingness to accomplish more and are ready to reach your goals quicker, this book is for you. Suppose you're ready to transform your current life from average to exceptional. If you understand it's in your power and that you are prepared to create glorious future, this chapter content will help you reach your dreams and desires. And this is no joke, people. This little book, 87 pages, I think. No, not even. 80 pages, 81 pages. Very direct, very straight to the point. 7 techniques, 7 habits you need to develop, and your life will change. This is very, very powerful. Let's go back to the book. We all know that the way we think, act, and behave will impact our future. We also know that nothing different will show up in our life if we don't change anything. Most of us recognize that we have the power to transform our lives and attract the people, circumstances, things necessary for this transformation. Will it be quick? It's all up to you. I'll tell you what, I'll give you a secret right there. I usually say it at the end of the book. In order for you to realize anything, to manifest anything, to attract, to create anything in your life, you need 2 things. The first one is you're going to have to sit in your head. You're gonna have, if it's never in your head, you cannot have it. Bob Proctor says, if you can hold it in your head, you can hold it in your hands. That's the first thing. See it, visualize it, think about it, focus about it, daydream about it. I don't care what you do, it had to be right here. The second thing, do something every single day. Do an action every day. Learn something new every single day that's going to help you to get there. If you do this, you're probably going to get what you want a lot faster than the norm. By applying this book's concept and processes, you will have the tools necessary to elevate your business and personal success to the next level. This book is divided into 3 parts. Section 1 explains why most people are stuck and how to plan and clarify your goals. Section 2 describes the disastrous effect of limiting beliefs and the human mind's extensive power and how to utilize the universal law. Section 3 focuses on 7 specific processes that will help the readers modify their mindset and achieve their goals faster, quicker, and further. Before you start reading, I would recommend that you grab a piece of paper and a pen, and while reading, write down what resonates with you. Writing your thoughts down on paper will force you to focus on what you're learning. And we have a quote from Bruce Lee: the successful warrior is the average man with laser-like focus. When we talk about focus, I just gave you something very powerful that most of you will not even do. I say if you read this book, if you listen to this video, I want you to take some notes. Once you do this, it's your strongest point of focus. This is when you learn. You pause the video and you write it down. You circle it. The next day you see it. You modify it if you need. You review it. This is how we learn. Human being, we get result by repetition, by focusing on what we do. So this is it for it. And if you want to know more about me, if you want to know more about the business I do, if you want to know more about, if you would like to become a coach, I recommend that you go at www.focus180coaching.com. That is my website. Let me say it again, www.focus180coaching.com. And if you look at the woman right here going up, this it says, yes, I want my free gift right there. Click on that. You're going to get a free gift. You're going to get a PDF. It's going to help you to get your goal faster. But then again, if you go there, you click on PDF and you don't answer the question, you don't do the exercise, it's not going to work. Don't do like everybody else. Just read it and don't do anything. You need to perform the right action. You need to start writing. You need to do the exercise. Guys, my name is Denny Maheux. I'll see you tomorrow on the next video. And stay focused on what? On what you really, 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 really want. Say